Moralejo has the ball. Pirates protecting a 6-point lead. Moralejo from way out.
Wow!
This kid is unbelievable.
Grabe.
Sahonia with a miss. That 52% from beyond the arc is real.
Oh, hindi joke yun. He just ran a simple ball screen on top. He got the mismatch on against Yuki and Andrada. Tinansya niya lang eh. Ang layo pa eh.
Yung 52%, that's for the season. In this game, he's 80%. Oh my God!
Wow! Wow!
Moralejo is unreal. Miller, short.
Good box out para dito sa mga gray. Ayun sa LPU. They just need to run the clock. They have 12-point lead.
Moralejo aatake. Moralejo!
Tuloy-tuloy.
The LPU Pirates with a tidal wave of a run. And they lead San Beda by 14 with 1 minute and 21 to go. I am struggling to find the words to describe what Neil Moralejo just did. Yan yung una, eto yung pangalawa.
It's over the outstretched hands of Yuki and Andrada.
And yung reaction ni Villegas says it all. Pati siya, hindi niya alam kung paano na ginagawa to.
Ang lalayo kasi. Not the usual sa 3-point line eh. Malayo eh.